What's up guys, karibuni sana to my kitchen. Feel most welcome there from wherever you're watching me from. So today on our menu we are going to prepare French fries. In Kenya we call them Chips Masala, and that is what we're going to prepare today. So feel most welcome as we begin. In the meantime, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Consider pressing the notification bell so that you can be updated anytime I upload a new video. You don't want to miss out on the next menus, yeah? So make sure you press that bell, yeah? So karibuni sana, and let's get started. So I'm going to be taking you through our list of ingredients for the chips masala. So I have dania here. This is coriander, and then I have 2 tomatoes. Okay, and then I'm going to use 1 onion. It is my onion, and then this is garlic, kitunguu saumu. I like fresh garlic, so I'm going to just use fresh garlic. For the purposes of ginger, I'm going to use powdered ginger, which is this one here. And I'm also going to use cumin powder. I love the smell of cumin. It adds the flavor and the smell to the chips. And finally, of course, these are my potatoes, and I'm going to use 6 big potatoes for this purpose. So the first step is to peel our potatoes, and I'm going to use this kind of peeler. I like it because it's very effective. So I'm going to use this to peel the potatoes, and then I'm going to place them into this water because I do not want them to dry up, yeah. Because if you place them on a dry bowl, they're going to dry up, yeah. So let's just peel these potatoes. So I like this because it does the job so well. It's less effort, you need less effort, and it's faster compared to using a knife. Yeah, so this is how my chip looks after I have sliced them. You can see that they look so nice, so beautiful, well sliced. So this is what you're going to deep fry. So my oil is getting ready, so I'm just going to drop them into the oil and then fry them, and then we're going to now make the masala. Okay. So fry them until they are crispy. So as my chip is getting fried, the next step is to blend our tomatoes. So I have already placed them into my blender, and then I'm just going to close it and then blend. So just blend it until you're going to make some pastes that you're going to use for the masala, for the chips. Okay. So this is looking good. So So I've just made our pastes. You're going to use for the masala. Yeah, so this is the second round that I'm deep frying them after the first round. So the trick of making chips sweet is frying them 2 times. The first one and then the second one. So the second one, this is how they look. They're looking very crispy and a little golden brown, and this is good. This is the best. So I'm just going to remove them from the oil and proceed with the second part of the cooking. So we are now going to make our masala, our chips masala. So the first thing I'm going to do is to fry our onions. So I'm going to just fry the onions inside my shuria. Then add some oil. Of course, add your garlic, your crushed garlic, and mix it well. I love the smell of garlic. It gives any food you're making some so very nice smell. That is why I like using fresh garlic. Okay. Next, I'm going to add my ginger. Okay. So I use this ginger, just like small amount, like a teaspoon. A teaspoon of this is enough, so that it does not again become bitter. I never use pili pili because I really don't like that smell and bitterness of pili pili. That's why I love ginger. Then next I'm going to use my cumin. So this is cumin, small amounts, like a teaspoon again. And mix it well. So don't allow them to burn, just golden brown is good. And then add your pastes that we made. Add your tomato paste and cook it for some few minutes until it begins to get thick. Add some little salt. Some little salt. So this is how my chip looks after the second frying. You can see they look so nice and crispy. You can hear the crispy sound. Yeah, that is nice. That is exactly how I love them. This is good. This is looking very good. It's thick. just a little thicker. So we are going to just add our potato into this, our fried chips, and mix it gently. Mix it gently. Just mix it well and don't cook it again. Just after mixing this, it's ready because the potato is already fried, so there is no more business frying it again. So this is just to give it a nice color and appearance and aroma, taste. So then basically this is ready. Just going to remove it from the sufuria and serve. Our chips masala is finally ready.